Hi everyone, today I want to share with you a game plan on how to tackle your debt. So whether you're struggling with credit cards, student loans, or other personal debt, here are 3 things that you can do. Step 1, understand your debt. To take any sort of action, you need to have a very clear picture of your overall debt situation. You'll need to know the types of debt you have, the amounts owed, and their interest rates. So write down a list of all of your debts with that information for you to take a look at. Step 2, Avalanche or Snowball. Take action by making additional payments to the debt that you've decided to tackle first. You can choose the debt with the highest interest rate, and this is known as the Avalanche method. Over time, you'll pay less because you're getting rid of the high interest rate debts first. Some people prefer to have a quicker mental win, so you can also choose to pay off the debts with the lowest balances, and this is known as a Snowball method. Only you can decide which method is going to work best for you, so pick a strategy and then stick with it. Step 3, celebrate your wins. This can be an overwhelming and long journey, so celebrate all of your wins, whether that be reducing your total debt by $1,000, getting rid of an account, being able to increase your monthly payments. Congratulate yourself and really acknowledge the hard work that you're putting in to reduce your overall debt. Like I mentioned, this can be an overwhelming process, so if you'd like guidance or talk about your own personal debt situation, please send me a message. There's also a link below to schedule a time to talk. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'd love for you to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get notified when my next video is up. And if you have any questions or have any topics that you'd like for me to cover, please send me a message. And I'll see you all next week.